In this video, I'll be teaching you how to visit a website's old version or the archived version of the website. So first, what you want to do is you want to go to web.archive.org, and in here you want to just enter your URL of the website you'd want to visit its archived version for, or just want to see the history. So in my case, I'm actually web scraping a website. However, the website is currently down. So I wanted to web scrape its old version, probably not an old version, but a version that was actually up today. But it just went down like a few minutes ago. So all you want to do is enter your URL, and you can go back to any date that you want to visit your website for. So in my case, I wanted to actually visit it today, but I think January 21st should work. Today is the 23rd. So just click any time you'd like, and it'll load. And then you enter the website, and you can, move around, click some buttons. It's not just an image, but it's actually their working website with all um, with all the information that you need. And hopefully that helps everyone. If you have any questions, please lay it down in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.